Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare strawberry milk recipe, which is very simple, easy and quick. You will never go back to the store-bought syrup after trying this recipe at home. The pretty pink hue is all from the fresh strawberries. In a blender, take 1 cup of roughly chopped fresh strawberries. Add 1 cup of chilled milk. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of agave or honey or sugar, any sweetener of your choice. Here I am using agave. Now mix this once with a spoon. Now close the lid. Blend this in a blender to smooth and thin consistency for around 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Our strawberry milk is now ready. You can add few ice cubes while blending. Transfer to serving glass and add few more freshly chopped strawberries. Make this fresh without any artificial flavor and flavoring agents for your loved ones. I am sure that kids will enjoy the strawberry milk freshly prepared at home. Do try this and let us know how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!